Hello everyone, it's again Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. Well guys, today I'm gonna give you the Insta Travel Blue mobile Lightroom preset as well as the camera preset for your desktop or your Photoshop, as well as for your desktop Lightroom preset in .lr template. So all you need to do is just download this 3 file. I'll put the link in the description. So when you will open the mobile Lightroom preset folder, you will find a .dng preset file, that is FP stands for filter preset and ABC stands for ashvircreations Travel Blue. Now here also the blue, that is a camera preset. Now just right click on it and I select extract here. Also do the same process over here. So you will get this 2 folder, that is camera preset. When you will open the preset, you will find FP Insta Travel Blue ABC 2020.xmp is the extension for Photoshop. Now we're gonna open up this Lightroom, that is a .lr template, that is extension for your desktop Lightroom, right? As you can see, this is my desktop Lightroom. I have already installed it preset to my desktop Lightroom folder. If you wanna see how to install the preset to your desktop Lightroom, then all you need to do is just go to the file, click on the preference, right? So we're gonna just go to the preference, where here is the edit, go to the preference, and from here you're gonna just click on this preset tab, and from here you can see show Lightroom preset folder, and from here you can just go to the Lightroom and go to the develop preset, and from here you can paste inside any of the preset this the preset.lr template which I have given you, right? So I have pasted inside this 2020 folder which I have created, FP Insta Blue, right? As you can see, here is also FP Insta Travel Blue. So let's apply the preset to the photograph, right? As you can see, by applying the preset, you can see the before and after. It is really looking so perfect. Here's the before and here's the after, a huge difference, and it is really giving a very cinematic vibe to the photo. Let's try apply it to my portraits. Let's try it on this photo. I guess let's try it on this. Guys, before applying the preset or downloading the preset, just make sure to visit my ashvircreationcourses.com website. I'll just put the link in the description, and from here you can just enroll the Photoshop as well as Lightroom course at a very affordable price, around $12 or around $9.99 in Indian currency. As you can see, you will see the details over here, and everything would be available on here. The course curriculum and everything would be here, so you can just enroll it now and see the details, and you will get a lifetime access to this course just for free, once you have made the payment from the basic to intermediate to the advanced level of complete Photoshop as well as the Lightroom. Let's see, apply it, click on the here, see details, and you will see the details of this complete Lightroom course which we have made. This is also around $7 to $8 or around $4.99 price, the price of this Lightroom. In this you will get a total 13 lessons from basic to advanced, right? You can just click on the enroll now, and you can just make a payment with the help of PayPal or credit card or debit card. All right, you can just click on, or also you can use the payment options like Phone Pay, Google Pay, or many other options for Indian users, right? Just click on the add to cart, and you need to do just go to the view cart option, and from here you're gonna just go to the proceed to checkout, and you just fill up the details and just make a payment, and you will get a lifetime access to my courses, right? You just need to make sure to add the details, and you can just click on the InstaMojo place order, and you can just pay via any of the mode like Google Pay or any of the thing if you are an Indian user, and if you are outside the India you can use this PayPal option, right? So let's get back to the video. So guys, you can just use this preset and just turn any of your photos to a next level. Let's see, by applying this preset you can see it is really looking a very moody kind of vibe it is giving to the photo, which is very pretty perfect. Let's try it on this photo. Just click on the preset and you are done. You can just use the same preset for your desktop Lightroom also, and also for your mobile Lightroom, as well as the XMP preset for your camera preset in Photoshop. Right, let's apply it on this photo. You can see it is really looking so perfect, guys. This preset is a dope preset. If you want to create an amazing Instagram theme, then I do recommend you to use this preset in your editing process and just stand out your Instagram feed from the rest. This is really a very trending and amazing color effect which is widely used nowadays on Instagram. So guys, thank you for watching, and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Just tap ashvircreations and visit my website, that is www.ashvircreations. So see you in the next video, guys.